Hey guys, Marlo Davis, your wealth creator. Listen, I made six figures with Airbnb last year, regardless of the shutdown, regardless of who the president was or is or whatever. And even with that, I struggle, and I'm gonna be real honest with you. I struggle because nobody would give me information. I would call people, I would see their ass, I would ask questions like, how do you negotiate to get a property without having to get a loan? How do you make money with Airbnb without any problem? I would just ask different questions, like even with the negotiation, how do I get a landlord to negotiate with a landlord to lease out his property? What do I do? What property area should I look for? What area should I invest in? Things of that nature. People didn't want to share. But that's okay. I made a lot of faults. I made a lot of errors. And still, guess what? I made a lot of do-re-mi. You know why? Because I didn't give up. I did my research. And I'm a person who refused to be denied. Often tried, always tried again. But I'm going to get me. And so I want you to get you. What does that mean? I want to share with you what I did to earn six figures with Airbnb without any property, without owning the property. Okay. I don't own the property. I'm not going to lie and tell you that. I don't own the property, but I made six figures, on track to close out this month, five figures, multiple six figures this year. And I want to share with you my pain, my hurt can be your gain. I want to share with you how to negotiate. All you got to do is go to the website, click down below. I'm breaking down. You'll be able to see what you're going to learn over this 4-week course. I break down so you don't have to wonder, is she going to teach me this? Do I got to wait and pay and figure out what it's going to be? Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And I dare you, I double dog dare you to compare what I'm teaching to what somebody else is teaching. And the deal that I'm going to give you, you're going to be like, wow, I can't believe that she's doing this special. I'm doing it because you deserve it. As long as this link is up, if you click on this link and you see this special, then you're in for luck. I was thinking about doing a weekend special, but listen, it's on my heart. I'm just going to say this week. Get it this week, because after this week, guys, it's over. You won't see this ad ever again, and that price will never be reduced. I'm reducing my price, and I'm going to show you how to make six figures with Airbnb this year. What I'm so excited about, guys, we're about to make money hand over fist, because a lot of people sick and tired of being stuck up in their house. They're traveling left and right. Our units are being rented out. We're so excited. I'm just so very grateful and thankful. And I think that's why I'm going ahead and giving you some grace on this price. So listen, my name is Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. You're a wealth creator too. Click on the link below. Register for your 4-week course. Take your stimulus check. Don't go buy no big screen TVs and junk and doodads. Invest in yourself so you can have residual income coming in. This is just one of my income streams. You need an income stream today. Register for the 4-week course down below. And guess what? I'm here for you. Belong to a strong community. We got a strong community. If you got questions, you're going to be able to text me. You're going to be able to call me, because I'm here to help you. Okay? I'm Marlo Davis, your wealth creator, and you're a wealth creator too. Register for your 4-week course, because it's yours. I'll talk to you soon.